Hi, Assalamualaikum. For the topic 2, computer system, we have discussed first topic, subtopic which is system concept. We have discussed about number system and representation. And the last one is information coding scheme. Now we discuss about logic gate and simple logic circuit. Okay, logical operator. Logic operations with any operations that manipulate Boolean values. So that is a logic operator. With a Boolean expression, which is an expression that returns a Boolean data type. So these are the basic logic operators that we will discuss after this. We discuss about AND, OR, and NOT. Okay, first one we discuss about AND. Okay, AND is actually it returns true, which is 1, output when all the inputs are true, which is 1. But it will return 0, which is false output when any or all of the inputs are false, which is 0. So if you look at the Boolean expressions here, okay, y equals to A and B. So this is the symbol. Y is equals A and B. Assume A and B are inputs and Y is output. Logic gate and is a symbol of AND, logical error. So if you look at the logical error, the symbol here, this is what we call the logic gate or symbol. Okay. So if you look here, okay, if you look here, A and B is input and Y is output, right? Okay, this is what we call a truth table. So if you look at the truth table here, A and B is the input and Y is output. So if A and B is 1 and 1, so the output will be 1. But if 1 output is A and B the output is 0, 1 and 0, the output will be 0. Okay, if the A is 0 and B input is 1, they will be 0. If 0 and 0 will be 0. So meaning that if one of the input is 0, the output will be 0. Alright, so that is for N. Okay, N. Alright, so next we go to the next one. OR. Returns true is 1, which is output when any inputs are 1. Okay, but it will return 0 for output when all the inputs is 0. So the Boolean expressions here is Y or B. Y, the symbol here, or B equals to A or B. Okay, so we look here. For OR, assume A and B inputs and A is and Y is output. So if you look at the logic gate here or the symbol of OR, okay, here is the symbol. Okay, the symbol, this is a symbol. A and B is input and the output is Y. Okay, we look at the truth table. Okay, A and B inputs and Y is output. So if A and B 1 and 1, 1 or 1, the output will be 1. But if input 1, B is 0, okay, 1 or 0, so the output will be 1. 0 input and 0 or 1 will be 1. And for A and B inputs, okay, so will be 0. So meaning that if one of the input is 0, okay, the answer will be returned to 1. Unless if 0 and 0, it will return to 0. Okay, right. So next one, we look at the not. Okay, not is actually is opposite of the output. For example, it returns true if the input is false, and it returns false if the input is true. So this is the logic gate, okay, A, and this is the not, alright, and output is Y. Okay, we look here for not, the Boolean expressions is Y equals to not A. Okay, Y equals to not A. So the truth table input, which is Y. Okay, let's say which is input is 1. Okay, and the truth table output is 0. They are the answer will be 1. If 0, so it will be 1. Okay. Okay, so next is combination of different logical error operators. Okay, not and, not no, or, exclusive or, exclusive not, or. Okay, so we go to the first one, not and. Combination and not gate. Okay, they produce one output when any of the inputs are false, 0. They process the 0 output when all the inputs are 1. So the Boolean expression, okay, this is example only. Okay, the Boolean here, this is example. Okay, let's say okay, this is the Boolean expression. For example, don't worry about the symbol. The main important is you understand what is and or not. Okay. Alright. Assume A and B are input and Y is output. So the symbol or logic gate is like this. Okay. A and B are inputs and Y is output. So they have, this is and this is not. Okay. Alright. Or we can use this one, combine. Okay. You can use A, B for input and with the not here. Okay. So this is a symbol. Okay. The truth table here. Okay. Let's say A and B is input, which is 1. Okay, 1, 1, 0. A and B, which is 0. Input for A and B, if output is 0, okay, your output will be 0. If 0 and 0, your output for N will be 0. Okay, so meaning that they are opposite. Okay, the 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1, 0 will be 1, and 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so they are opposite. For N, not and, right? So this is the truth table. Okay, the truth table for and not and. Okay, do you understand? Okay, not or. Okay, not or. Not or. Okay, if you look here, is combination of or and not. So it produces 1 output when all the inputs are false and produce 0 output when any of the inputs are true. So the Boolean expression is this. This is example. Okay. Don't worry about the symbol, about the expression. The most important thing is you understand what is and nor or and not gate. Okay. Alright, assume A and B are inputs and Y is output. So the symbol is like this. If you combine, it will be like this. Okay, so you can use the symbol here. Okay, not or here or not here. Okay, still they have the not here. Mesti ada not, must have the not here. Okay, alright. Now, next one. Okay, the truth table. A and B. Okay, so if A and B output Y, output A or B, which is 1. Okay, of course this is 1. For 0, 1 will be 1 and 0, 0 is will be 0. Because if or any, if the input, okay, if the input 1, sorry, 1 and 0, if they have 1, so they are 1. Okay, if the input 0, 0, so they will be 0. Okay, compared to n, if n 1 and 0, if n there will be 0. Compared to or, if input 1, 0, so the output will be 1. But for this one, not or, okay, or and not, which is it is opposite for or and not, or not, okay, which is 1 will be 0, okay, will be 0, 1, 0 and 0, 2, 1. So this is the and not and or. Okay, not or, sorry, not or. Okay, all right. Okay, so this one is exclusive or. So exclusive or is a logic operation. It will return 1 if any of inputs is different. Okay. And if the 0 if all the inputs are same. So this is example of Boolean expression. Okay, so this one is for exclusive or. The logic, okay, the symbol. This is symbol of exclusive or. Okay, the truth table, which is 1 input 1, so there will be 0 because they are same. Input are same, 1, 1. This one is 1, 0, so will be 1. If they are different, they will be 1. If they are same, it will be 0. Okay, so this one is same, so the output will be 0. Okay, and then for exclusive not. Okay, exclusive no, this one exclusive for or not. It will be true if all the inputs are same and false if the inputs are different. So this is the Boolean expression, right? Don't worry about the Boolean expression. The most important thing you understand the different what is and or not. Okay, right. Assume A and B are inputs and Y are output. Alright, the truth table. Okay, if they are same input, they will be 1. If they are different, they will be 0. Alright, so this one, if the input 0, 1, different will be 0. Okay, different, this one is same, so the output will be 1. Okay, for the summary here, the most important thing is you understand about what is a logic operator. Logic operator, we have and or not. So these are the Boolean expression. Okay, which is the Boolean expression. The most important thing you understand. Okay, this is a Boolean expression. Okay, this is or, and this is not. Okay, the most important thing you understand the symbol for and, the symbol of or, and the symbol for not. The not, they have this one. Okay, this is the not. Alright. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Okay, next one. This one. Okay, this one is a combination of different logic operator, which is not and, not or, exclusive or, and exclusive not or. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression. Right, you just understand what is the difference. Right, this is the symbol. Okay,